What's going on, everybody? It's me, Asif, back again with another video. As you can see, I got my dream car here, my RS3, and today we're gonna be making it loud. Yeah. So I bought these secondary decat pipes. My vehicle is fitted with two cats right in the middle there. It sounds pretty good, but I find that it just needs to be a little bit louder. So I bought these things that just replace the cats, so it should be really nice and loud. Alright guys, well I need my sidekick Dicko, so I'm gonna click him in. Whoa!
How you going?
Quick! There you go. Should we do it?
On site, let's get it, do it.
Sweet! Okay guys, so this is a before shot, so give it a rev, Dicko. Okay guys, so those are the cats right there. Not a big cat, but still a restriction, so let's remove them. Very good.
Oh, so they're just slips, so we should be able to just slip them back and...
Yeah.
No one needs to know where you're going.
Exactly. We have updated our budget. We have now hired a cameraman. As you would have seen, the camera started moving there.
That was not us. Oh! Told you.
That's an exhaust. Restriction. Woo! So this is your catalytic converter. What it does is it gets all the bad gases, turns it into CO2, chucks it out of the exhaust, and it's somewhat safer to breathe. But who cares about them? I'm not gonna throw them. Well, that was a little rev without the cats. Sounded pretty good, but we got to keep it legal. So let's put these pipes on. Straight, that's gonna go on like that. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna. This one here is 15. Now there's 13. I'm going to push them together.
Oh, that's okay. This feels a lot like a normal work day, man.
Did you want to swap?
No, you can do the hard yards.
This is quite hard. Oh. Very tight. Very good.
That actually looks real good.
Very nice.
Yeah, clears all beautifully. Well, yeah, I like that.
Not bad, not bad.
Best thing is you didn't have to take your car to someone to have it done for you.
Yeah.
I'll just let Dicko do it for me. For free.
That's what I do.
Cool.
Right.
Awesome. Let's start it. Let's see what it sounds like, eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Yep. And this is a aftershock, so let's hear it. Yeah, definitely.
I hope you liked that video today, guys. Like and subscribe, do all that. Tell your mates, tell your mum, tell your cousins, everyone.
Oh, the grandmother?
Yeah, definitely the grandma. Yeah, I've heard that's a thing.
I think grandmas quite like RS3s.
Yeah, definitely. Pops and bangs. Who knows?
Show your grandma.
Yeah.
Show your grandma.
Yeah.
She'll like me.
So hopefully we're going to do a indicated delete on it at some stage because Audi drivers don't use their
Yeah,
indicators.
exactly. I own an Audi now, so there's no point. I might as well delete them.
That's it, definitely.
All jokes aside, thanks for watching, everyone. This was a very exciting episode. The car sounded awesome to begin with, but now it just sounds amazing. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you guys.
See ya.